Sniffly sneezes involves children exploring different materials to see which ones are the most suitable for wiping your nose. It fits well with the Year 2 topic of uses of everyday materials. The materials that they test should be readily available around the school, either among the art, DT or science resources. And you'll also need some water coloured with food colouring. You will also need some plastic trays and pipettes. The children first discuss the properties required for something you wipe your nose on, and then test a range of materials for their absorbency. Demonstrate to the children how to test the different materials.
One way of testing is just to put the materials into a tray and then pop some water onto the top and observe what happens. We can see that that's soaked into the material quite quickly, and it has come through and there is some water on the tray. Another way to test might be to make some spills that are about the same size and then use one cloth to try and wipe up one spill. And we can see that that's wiped that nose very nicely. And let's try a different one. That one has still left quite a lot of water in the tray, so that one was less absorbent and is going to be less successful at wiping your nose.
The simplest approach to the children recording their findings would be to ask them to sort the materials according to how absorbent they think they are, and then take a photograph of that, and then compare the sorting with their findings from testing. When they have completed the test of which materials are absorbent, they can then think about which of those materials would be most suitable for wiping your nose, considering how soft and strong they are.